Hey guys, it's me, Victoria. It's such a random video. I'm outside. Thought it would be a nice video to show you what McCall's really like to eat. So here's her food tray. These are, hold on, let me get that. These are Lay's, garlic, sour cream, and garlic, I think. And birds really like these, so let's go give them to my bird. Lola, she come. Her name is Lola. Come on. Come on. There's the food tray. I'm gonna have to kind of stay back. Oh, by the way, my bird is macaw, so one tip: they cannot have avocados because I think they're allergic to it. I'll just go give it to her. Totally random video. Didn't expect it, right? But Lola, are you picking her nails? Picking her nails. Bird life. Give them sticks. That's from my tree. Oh gosh. By the way, it's kind of hard to film out here because it's kind of annoying. Okay, so the bull's not working out. I guess she has to come here on her own. Let me first go get a chip instead. Maybe she'll want that. So put that there. It is sour cream and onion if you want to go buy them. Just don't give them any avocado. Go give it to her. Oh, and by the way, she bites, so I can't go super close to her. But I could get you close. There you go. Got it. And look at her eat. She's, of course, just a macaw. Of course, they bite, and of course, they have a lot of poop. So if you ever want a macaw, probably get them those. Probably love it. And some birdseed probably, because they can't eat that all day. Seriously, can't just eat that all day. But hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my new videos. And this is a totally random video. And bye.